Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to resize an image in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the website where we can get started with logging into your account. So in the upper right corner, go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor right here. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor by clicking on it, which is going to open up this new page where we can get started with selecting an image that we want to edit and resize. So go ahead and open up the image. I already have my image right here, and now we can get started with resizing it. So basically guys, what we want to do if we want to resize our image is look at the left side of the screen right here. This is the toolbar with all the options we can use in Pixlr. We have the arrange, the crop, cutout, adjust, and so on, all the options that we can make use of. And guys, basically the option that we need for resizing is this one right here called crop. So go ahead and click on crop, and guys, as you can see, now we can go ahead and increase the width and height of our image. We can recrop it or increase the size and so on, depending what we want to do with our image. And after that, we have even other options such as image size, canvas size, marquee size, and so on. As you can see, we can increase the size and so on to our desired one. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.